Hey guys, I have not been vlogging for a couple of days because I haven't been doing anything. I'm actually sick. No, it's not corona. I'm just sick because it's been cold, so I haven't really been doing anything, and I just haven't been in the mood to vlog or anything. Hopefully soon I get to vlog. I'm here trying to figure out what I'm gonna do because for those who are from Canada, they don't, you know that they banned traveling to and from the Caribbean, so I'm just trying to figure out what I can do while I'm out here. So that me just really there. I'm not really doing anything fun per se. Yeah, as I said, it's been cold. Today's kind of hot, and yeah, if there's anything that fun happens, I'll obviously definitely vlog. I've been playing Uno every night except for last night, coming to feel well, but I'm in the shop as normal with Kemar. He might play him game as normal. Like, that's how it is basically every day.
I lie, me have gun, but no ammo in there. Because if you search the box, no ammo in there, gun no me have.
His PUBG friends. But yeah, guys, me feel kind of idle. This morning I combed up my mother-in-law hair, and as I said, I feel idle right now. I don't even know what to do at the moment. So yeah, guys, can anybody tell me what type of fruit this is? Does anybody know? It's right in the yard. I think that's the only one. Oh no, I see some more up there. So hey guys, so my auntie's picking Ackee. See some open up one right there. So she used this long stick.
Oh no, I have Ackee tree in Canada.
No, so we don't have tree like that.
laugh,
So
man.
I'm trying to get this one. Ooh. You guys, you want the Ackee that is open, because if it's closed, it's poisonous and you're dead. Right?
Yeah.
Jabari. You see it? The Ackee?
And see one right here.
Yeah. So yes guys, that's what I'm doing. Precious, where's Precious?
Behind right there.
Oh, I see Precious there. Yes guys, so we're just here. I'm hungry. Nice. There's a lot of open one on your tree, man. No sir. Yeah. I'm trying to pick Ackee. So it's my first time. So this. So I'm gonna say hook it and pluck it. Okay. So there's that.
Good girl.
Oh, almost.
Gwaan calls Sister Jabari.
Yes, guys. That was my first one. Okay, there's one right. Ooh, there's one right here. Guys, you have to pluck the Ackee seed out. And you just do it in there, just like that. Okay, guys. So this is the Ackee and saltfish. The Ackee, what you guys seen me pick. Right? It look pretty though. So I'm about to get in. Yeah, everything look pretty. And you see the nice dumpling and the sweet potato, and yeah, I'm gonna eat this right now. What is it today?
Mine.
Yes, and how old are you today?
8.
Okay, nice girl. And this is your cake?
Yes.
It's so pretty like you, right?
Yes.
And you have my sister name.
Is your sister name on it?
Yes.
So today is Sabrina's birthday, guys, so we're gonna cut her cake now. Watch out. Oh, we not sing. We not sing yet. Sing.
Don't chop it. Come, happy
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sabrina.
Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? How old are you now? Happy birthday now. Happy birthday to you. Make your wish and then I cut it. Make your wish, Sabrina, and then I cut it.
Finish.
You done?
Yes.
Hip hip. Hooray. Hip hip.
Hooray.
Cut. After 3. 1, 2, 3. Yay!
Hey, stop digging.
Hey guys, I just did Shana K's makeup. I can't really show you her because you know she's in her her house clothes, which is inappropriate for YouTube. So I'll show you guys a snap right here. But yeah guys, close your eye.
Yo, dance guy.
Welcome. Purchase your track now and receive the untagged version instantly.
Bandana, it may I use as kerchief. I'm out here in Fairview, yeah, and I'm just here with Kemar's friends. Well, you can say my friend too. Just here linking one of our other friends. And I go look food because it's Friday, and normally Jamaicans don't cook on Friday, so I think I'm gonna buy Wendy's. I'm right beside Wendy's, if you guys can see the sign. So yeah, it's me. So yeah guys, I haven't been vlogging so often because I don't really do nothing at daytime more than the dog yeah. But yeah. Guys, I didn't end up getting Subway. I mean, we never end up get Wendy's. Guys, look how Jamaica below. Look how they look. Subway. Mothers. This is the first Mothers I'm seeing in Mobile. 3-piece meal.
Yeah, me say anything you want, pretty girl, I'll cop that. Take your damn clothes off, send it on Snapchat. Yeah, we can buy champagne and pop that. Yeah, we can vibe, get money, get guap. That in your life, make you feel like that. Say them body up, but on a real life that. Love it when you brace, I'm a brace right back. She say, your picture a J, can you touch my spot? And me, I tell you, baby, all my life, I love you, baby.
Ever seen a Jamaican ice cream truck? Oh, that's how it looks. It's gone out its business. We should have go buy